Come here, Archie. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Growing with Grandpa. Welcome to my little vegetable patch. If you haven't already been to our channel, just introducing myself, Grandpa. A little Archie, our Bichon Free Mix. Oh, he's very tired. Our little Bichon Free Mix puppy. We'll be doing lots of videos. We've already got lots of videos up. Basically, showing you what you can grow in your backyard, in your back garden. Very easy to grow lots of crops. This is only 15 foot by 6 foot, this little patch, and we got some pots here we're growing. And so look at some of that harvest we've already got. So if you keep watching, watch all our videos, you'll also see as Archie gets bigger and he's allowed to do more. He's not had all his injections yet, but when he's allowed to come on the veg patch more with me, I'm sure he'll help me with the digging. He might not be a lot of help, but do come along and watch all our videos. You could subscribe to the channel. Also, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. That's Instagram at growing_with_grandpa and at growing with grandpa on Facebook. Well, it's great to see you. Do come back and see lots more of me and this cheeky little puppy Archie. I know he looks like butter wouldn't melt in his mouth, but he's a little bit of a tinky, you know, and I'm sure we'll have. But he's a lovely lad, aren't you? Oh, look, we got his giraffe. You stay there, cameraman. I'll bring it up. This is Archie's little giraffe with a scarf. Look, we like that one, don't we, Archie? Well, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.